Are you drowning in debt? Do you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck with no end in sight? You're not alone. Millions of Americans are struggling with debt, feeling overwhelmed and hopeless. But there is a way out. Getting out of debt requires a plan, commitment, and the right strategies. It's about taking control of your finances and making smart choices that will set you free. In this essay, we'll explore two powerful methods to help you conquer your debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. We'll break down each method step by step, making it easy to understand and implement. We'll also discuss the importance of negotiating lower interest rates and share inspiring stories of people who have successfully become debt-free. Remember, taking the first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important. Let's start building your path to financial freedom. The debt snowball method is a popular and effective way to tackle debt. This method has helped countless individuals regain control of their finances and achieve financial freedom. It's based on the idea of building momentum by starting with your smallest debt, regardless of the interest rate. The concept is simple yet powerful. As you pay off each debt, you gain a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. Here's how it works. First, list your debts. This step is crucial as it gives you a clear picture of what you owe. Write down all your debts, from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. This list will serve as your roadmap to becoming debt-free. Second, continue making minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one. This ensures that you stay current on all your obligations while focusing your efforts on the smallest debt. Third, put as much extra money as possible towards the smallest debt until it's paid off. This might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding additional sources of income. Fourth, once the smallest debt is gone, take the money you were paying on it and add it to the minimum payment of the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, allowing you to pay off debts faster as you go. Repeat this process until all debts are paid off. Each time you eliminate a debt, you free up more money to tackle the next one, accelerating your progress. The debt snowball method is particularly effective for people who are motivated by small victories. These small wins can provide the encouragement needed to stay committed to the plan. Seeing those debts disappear one by one can be incredibly empowering and keep you going on your debt-free journey. Remember, the key to success with the debt snowball method is consistency and dedication. Stay focused, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can become debt-free. In addition to the financial benefits, the emotional and psychological relief of being debt-free can be life-changing. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you no longer owe money to creditors. Once you're debt-free, you can start focusing on other financial goals, such as saving for retirement, investing, or even taking that dream vacation you've always wanted. The possibilities are endless when you're no longer burdened by debt. So, take that first step today. List your debts, create your plan, and start your journey towards financial freedom. The debt snowball method can be your ticket to a brighter, more secure future. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. With determination and the right strategy, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom that comes with being debt-free. Start today and take control of your financial future. The debt snowball method is your guide to a debt-free life, filled with possibilities and peace of mind. The debt avalanche method takes a more mathematical approach to debt repayment. It's a strategy that prioritizes paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which can save you a significant amount of money over time. With this method, you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the balance. This means that even if a debt has a smaller balance, if its interest rate is higher, it becomes your top priority. This approach saves you money on interest payments in the long run. Here's how it works. First, list your debts. Gather all your financial statements and create a comprehensive list of all your debts. Write down all your debts, from highest to lowest interest rate. This list will be your roadmap. It's crucial to be thorough and include every debt, no matter how small. Second, continue making minimum payments on all debts, except the one with the highest interest rate. This ensures that you stay current on all your accounts and avoid late fees or penalties. Third, put as much extra money as possible towards the debt with the highest interest rate until it's paid off. This might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding additional sources of income. Fourth, once the highest interest debt is gone, focus on the next highest interest debt, adding the money you were paying on the previous debt to its minimum payment. This creates a snowball effect, accelerating your debt repayment process. Repeat until all debts are paid off. This method requires patience and persistence, but the reward is a significant reduction in the total interest paid over the life of your debts. The debt avalanche method is ideal for people who want to minimize the total amount of interest they pay. It's particularly beneficial for those with high-interest debts, such as credit card balances or payday loans. This method requires discipline and focus, as you may not see debts disappear as quickly as with the snowball method. However, the long-term financial benefits can be substantial. By sticking to the plan and staying committed, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. To stay motivated, it can be helpful to set small milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a nice meal or taking a day off to relax. Additionally, using financial tools and apps can help you track your progress and stay on top of your repayment plan. These tools can provide visual representations of your progress, making it easier to stay motivated. Remember, you don't have to go through this journey alone. Seek support from friends, family, or financial advisors. They can offer valuable advice and encouragement, helping you stay on track. By prioritizing and conquering your debts with the avalanche method, you're not just paying off what you owe, you're investing in a brighter, more secure financial future. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and watch as your financial burdens gradually disappear. The power of negotiation. Lower those interest rates. Did you know that you can often negotiate lower interest rates with your creditors? Many people are hesitant to do this, but it can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Here are some tips for successful negotiation. Be prepared. Gather all relevant information, including your account details, payment history, and interest rates. Be polite and professional. Explain your situation clearly and respectfully. Be persistent. Don't be afraid to ask for a better rate multiple times. Consider balance transfers. Explore transferring your balance to a credit card with a lower interest rate. By taking the time to negotiate lower interest rates, you can free up more money each month to put towards your debt repayment plan. Real people, real results. Debt-free success stories. These are the journeys of individuals who have taken control of their finances and emerged victorious, free from the burden of debt. Countless people have used the debt snowball and avalanche methods to achieve financial freedom. Take Sarah, for instance. Her story is one of perseverance and strategic planning. She was struggling with $20,000 in credit card debt and feeling overwhelmed. The constant stress of mounting bills and high interest rates was taking a toll on her mental and emotional well-being. Determined to change her situation, she decided to try the debt snowball method, starting with her smallest debt. This method gave her a sense of immediate accomplishment and kept her motivated. Sarah diligently made extra payments on her smallest card while paying minimums on the others. She tracked her progress meticulously, celebrating each small victory along the way. As each card was paid off, she rolled the money into the next one. This snowball effect accelerated her progress, and she began to see a light at the end of the tunnel. Within 2 years, Sarah was debt-free. The journey was not easy, but the sense of relief and accomplishment she felt was unparalleled. She felt a sense of relief and accomplishment she hadn't experienced in years. Her newfound financial freedom allowed her to focus on other life goals and dreams. John's story illustrates the power of the debt avalanche method. His approach was different but equally effective. Facing $30,000 in debt with varying interest rates, he chose to prioritize the debt with the highest rate. This method, while requiring patience, promised significant savings in interest payments. He diligently focused on paying it down, and as the balance decreased, he saw his interest payments shrink. This motivated him to stay the course and continue his disciplined approach. While it took time and dedication, John successfully eliminated his debt and saved thousands of dollars in interest compared to paying minimums. His story is a testament to the effectiveness of the debt avalanche method. These stories highlight that with the right plan and commitment, anyone can achieve financial freedom. Whether you choose the debt snowball or avalanche method, the key is to stay focused, remain disciplined, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a reality that many have achieved, and you can too. You can do it. Take charge of your finances. Getting out of debt requires commitment and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the relief of not constantly worrying about bills, the freedom to pursue your dreams, and the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Remember, you are not defined by your debt. You have the power to change your financial situation. Take control of your finances today. Choose the debt repayment method that resonates with you, negotiate lower interest rates, and stay focused on your goal. It may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every step you take toward becoming debt-free is a step toward a brighter future. You are capable of achieving financial freedom.